Hi, it's Future from Sewmate. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to draft a short sleeve pattern with an all-in-one cuff. So to do this, you need your sleeve block. I've got a sleeve block tutorial on this channel, so you can click on the link in the description box below or another link above. Go watch that tutorial and make yourself a sleeve block pattern, and then come back and watch this tutorial. Okay, so now first we're going to trace from the elbow notch to the other elbow notch because it's a short sleeve. Lift your block. Now square a straight line through the notches. Square another straight line down for your grain line. Choose the length of your sleeve. I'm going to use 20 centimeters. Put a mark. Square a line to one side of your sleeve. Measure from the top to the line we just drawn. I've got 7.5. Transfer the same amount to the other side of your sleeve. 7.5. Put a mark. Now try and draw a straight line to connect these lines. What you need to do next is to decide on your cuff width. I'm gonna go with 3 centimeters. So what you need to do is to draw 3 parallel lines which are 3 centimeters apart. So from this line here, I'm gonna go 3 centimeters down and draw a line, and go 3 centimeters down and draw another line. Okay, let's do that. So this is 3 centimeters, another 3 centimeters, and another 3 centimeters. So we have 3 sections, 3 centimeters each, which are parallel to each other. Okay, now what we are going to do is to fold along all these lines so that it's easier for us to manipulate the sleeve. So fold it along this line like this, and next we're going to fold this line up. Okay, so this bottom part is going to be the sleeve facing, and we're going to fold it under. Okay, like this. We have to fold along the first line here and get the 2 sections and fold them up. And then the last section will go under the sleeve. That's the sleeve facing. Okay, now we're going to continue drawing nice straight lines up to the bottom here and do the same on this side. So continue this line straight like this, and do the same on this side. Continue this line straight down as well. So next we're just going to cut around our sleeve following the outer fold lines. Okay, let's do it. So that's the shaping for our sleeve. So once you fold it up and under, it matches very well. Then you won't have any shortfalls whilst you are sewing your sleeve. Now we're going to label our pattern. Short sleeve with cuff. And we cut 2. And I'll put my initial. And we'll use this grain line here as well. Now we're going to put notches around our sleeve. So we'll put a notch here, put a notch here, and put a notch here to help us when we're trying to fold this out. All sections. And you put a notch there and put all the other existing notches for our sleeve block. So I'm just gonna put notches around the sleeve now. So the short sleeve with an all-in-one cuff is finished. Thank you.